Hey guys, so we all love Amazon hauls, right? And I got a few items in here for you. I wanted to go through them with you. I'm going to leave a link to everything in the comments below. So these are some great items, and if you like that kind of item, make sure you subscribe. Let's start going over them. I'm going to start with this. Actually, I tried this out, and I do have another video that I need to upload for using it in an actual demonstration of how to use it. So this is the Fry Away. Ever had a problem where you're gonna throw your oil? This stuff is great here. So what you're gonna do is open this up, you sprinkle it in the oil. It takes up to 2 cups. You're going to stir it in the oil. It melts in there. Make sure the oil is hot when you do it. And then as it cools down, the oil will turn into a solid. So once it's a solid, you're just gonna lift it right out. Everything comes out. You can, if you leave it long enough, it's gonna lift up into one piece and throw it in the garbage like normal. This is great stuff. Definitely good to have. Better than killing your grass, right? All right. So, Mr. Pen. Mr. Pen always has great products. These are their metal mechanical pencil set. My husband is gonna love these. These are for anybody that likes kind of pencil sets and things like that and appreciates that kind of stuff. This is a great gift for them. All right. So do we really get our greens when we eat? We don't eat so much of that stuff. All right, so we have the vitamin C here, B12 and a folate. This is the 8 greens made from real greens. With this is in the peach. They do also have it in the apple. And it is made out of things like wheatgrass, blue-green algae, aloe vera, and all kinds of good stuff, and kale and all that stuff that's good for you that we really don't put too much in our food. So you're gonna get all your vitamins from in here. All right. So, who's traveling this summer? Let me know where you're going this summer in the comments. I would love to hear from you. This is from Hero Travel Supply. I will have a limited time code in there for an extra discount for this one. I believe the code is for 15% off. I don't remember right now, but I do believe it's 15% off. I'll have it in the comments for you, and I will put the date of when it expires. This is a great travel bag that is RFID block. So what it does is it keeps anybody from stealing your information from in here. So if you have your credit cards inside, you are not gonna get nobody's going to be able to scan them or anything. You put your passports in here, your credit cards, your tickets, anything you need. Even if you're going to the park or you're going on a nature walk or you're hiking, this is great because this, you just put it around your neck and the strap can be adjusted longer or shorter. You can put it to the side, you can put it anywhere you want, but the most comfortable is probably going to be around your neck, the safest, and you can just wear it to the front. Even if you're sleeping on a plane, you can actually put this on. It's pretty good. It's great. All right. How often do you guys lose your keys? I know that I lose my keys pretty often, and I'm constantly searching for them. I don't lose them outside. I just lose them in the house, and then I'm wasting another half hour looking for them before I get out. This is great to have. Just hook it up to my keys with my iPhone, and if I am doing what I always do and lose my keys and can't find them, just track them with this. This is great. I am really gonna like this, and I know my husband is gonna be like, pick me up one. All right, so when you're recording, sometimes you need to start and stop the camera. Sometimes it's hard to do that. This is a 2-pack remote, and these are so small, you always lose them, and they're so affordable that it's good to have extras. So this is the remote. It comes in black and white here, and you just hook it up to this, and as you're recording, once you have it hooked to the Bluetooth of your phone or your camera or whatever you're using, you're going to press when you want to start, and you're going to press when you want to stop. This stuff is great. All right. Ooh, makeup. Who doesn't like makeup? Face primer here. So if you have problem spots that you need covered up or filled in before you put on your foundation so that your foundation is clear, this is great to use here. I do love it. It's multiplying, pure, minimizing, and Thank Me Later has a lot of different kinds. So this is great to use. All right. So some people just have allergies to certain deodorants. Piper Way is a great natural deodorant. It's activated charcoal. So you don't have to worry about all the chemicals and stuff in there. It is very good. It smells amazing and offers good protection. If you smell it, it has this minty clean smell. It just, you know, the mint in it, the smell of the mint in it does actually just vibrate you and make you wake up when it's on. So this is great stuff to have too. All right, and we need a little upgrade. We need more lights when we're recording, and we need to be able to put the phone in certain spots. This is great for recording because you can put your phone within the ring, below the ring, any place that, depending on what angle you want to get. This is great for it. It has 360 degree rotation. It has a USB what do you call it, powered, and it has 3-mode light in here. So this is going to be really helpful. This one was bought with my own money. This is going to be really helpful to get better footage. So everything will be linked in the below. If you enjoyed this video, please do all the things to help a channel grow, and I will see you guys soon.